Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shibenta ban Kyntu ya Pule puthi bat ban pentebet shushu habede bat ka an ka National Law University Meghalaya ka Kyntu ki Samla Pule na ka jala ban wan shakmat ban wan thap class ha ka Skulbah na kalyang Vice Chancellor ka Skulbah u Professor Dr. Indrajit Dubey habakran bat kinong tho khobor ule thu ba ka Skulbah menta kadang shim admission na ka benta ki Samla ki bakwa ban wan Pule an ule thuru ba ka Skulbah Katei kawai na kibapau watla kadei kabadang sedang dang shen ule thuru hakani ka Kynti kani ka Skulbah ka pha jingtip ru shakiri bamarjan kum hari Sri Lanka Vietnam bat kiwei ban ajingtip yo don ki Samla ki bakwa banwan Pule ban sngu thu shu shu tongin ngap ya ka jingkran jong Vice Chancellor ka National Law University Meghalaya u Professor Indrajit Dubey.
We have started our journey in last year. 8 July was the foundation, 2023, and then we have started our academic program on 10th July 2023. By now we have completed 2 trimester. This is a trimester system university, and then student also completed the first internship, because annually they have to complete around 3 months of internship, so 2 months they have completed, and now they are in a 3rd trimester. So our National Law University focusing more on futuristic legal education, and for that matter I will say trying to developing a model of futuristic university where the student have option to choose which are the subject they wanted to study, and they can package into their program, though we are complying with all the regulatory requirement of the Bar Council as well as the UGC. Here we are undergraduate, we are offering the 3 program, that is BA in Policy Science and LLB, BBA focusing more on FinTech and LLB, and then BS in Data Science and LLB. And these programs are quite unique in the country, because we have here introduced the dual degree program in compared to integrated legal education, which most of the law school embrace. Now the difference between the dual degree program and the integrated legal education is the student who are pursuing this particular program, this dual degree program, they have even an option to choose their career into that particular domain, like either in policy or fintech or maybe even the data science. And I believe all of you are aware of this particular fact that these are the areas which are in emerging, and there is a lot of legal interference into these particular domains. In a postgraduate, we offer 2 programs, rather 3 programs. Master of Laws in 2 major. One is a criminal law, another is corporate law. And we also started a new program from this particular academic year, which will start in July. That is Master of Science in Policy Analytics. And this will be of a very unique program. I personally believe, and as I know, that no other university in the country offering this. Many of the Western university offer this, but those particular cost of the courses are very, very high in compared to what we are offering it here. In our university, we say that we basically build the future generation of the leader. That is the motto of us. And we also talk about the non-conformist mindset. So that means which NEP focusing on that the student should get an option how they wanted to learn and what are the subject they want to learn. It is not university driven, the programs, but it is a student driven program. We also focus on personalized learning, and we believe that in the creative economy we need to have the manpowers who are very unique in their creative approach towards all aspect of the life. We also focus a lot onto the research program, and our idea is that whatever the outcome of the research, that particular research should come back to the classroom so that there is a development and we can bring something new and which is relevant for the coming years. And at the same time, we have also focused towards the community engagement. We believe that university, if they exist in a particular society, it should also holistically impact over the societal discourse. So we stand quite differently than that of other law school in the country. We tend ethos that we are going to build this particular university in the technological ecosystem. Technological focus in content delivery, assessment, as well as the content absorption is very high, and I believe we are in the making of a future generation which is required for coming years to the country, for the country.
Dr. Indrajit Dube ula ongru balamang shispa sanpau seat yakibawan shim admission hakatega Skulbah bat lamang sanpau persen nakabenta ki Samla Pule ke jela bat sanpau persen nakabenta ki Samla Pule kibawan nakiweipat ki jela hagari. Ula ongru baki lamang sa sanpau persen yakiweipat ki Samla Pule kibawan nakiweipat kiri ke Katei.
In fact, if you look into this year, the councils has approved 150 seats for the student, and as per the reservation policy of the university, 50% seat is reserved for this our state, and 50 is reserved for rest of the country. So for total seat, if you say that we are focusing on 100, so 50 is for rest of the country and 50 is from the state of Meghalaya. And we are also open the admission for international students, and the council has approved 50 more seats for the international student. In the country this year, we are holding the admission in 13 centers across the country, and in the state we are holding in 2 centers. One is Shillong and another is in Thula. And internationally we are holding in 6 places the admission test, and in 13 there is a national admission test, undergraduate test we call Make UAT, that is undergraduate admission test, and postgraduate we call Make PAT, so that is a postgraduate admission test. And all these admission process are online. So student has to fill the form online, they have to make the payment online, and this particular test will also happen in online but in a particular center. So student has to come to a designated center, and then they will keep the test in LMS. Because we get a number of calls from the different country, and they were asking about our program structure, they have asked about the fee structure. It is not only they have shown the interest in undergraduate and postgraduate, but also in our PhD program. So we are keep receiving this particular information. We also contacted with all embassies in those particular country. We have also written to Ministry of Foreign Affairs to help us into this particular process. And now the government has taken a position that we should internationalize our education and to get the international students. So this is a step towards that. I'm happy to inform you that UGC is designated us as one of the university of 153 university to promote the Viksit Bharat, because you know the Viksit Bharat is now agenda which has been taken by 2047. India should be a developed country. So to that particular end, it is an honor for us, because we are 9-month-old university, and out of the all old standing university, we have also chosen by the UGC to be one of the university for Viksit Bharat. Relating to the admission, all the information is available in our website, and the website is www.nlunec.ac.in, and we have also dedicated phone number for the inquiry as well as email, that is admission@nlunec.ac.in. Everything is available in the website. We are also this time promoting for need-based financial assistance. So if the students qualify our exam, the university also waive the fees also. And at the same time, we have also approached to different banks for the financial assistance, and also the philanthropists, where we got a couple of commitment that they might support the student fees for entire program.